Hello everyone, and today we're going to talk about what's the difference between the words emit and emanate. They are both verbs and they mean to come from something or someone. And as always, let's start breaking down the difference. We're going to start with the word emit. It means to eject, throw out, send out, radiate from, for example, an object, subject, resource, radiant, and so on. And when we're talking about this, we're talking about not abstract things. Let's take a glimpse at some examples. For instance, the sun emits radiation, waves, rays, light, etc. The same can be said about the moon in the night sky, planets, stars, and so on. We can see them because they emit something physical. And in this case, let's say it is light. So the word emanate. When we're talking about this word, we're talking about something that is abstract. But we can also apply this word to something not abstract, like emit, though it is less common. For instance, like I said before, the sun emits radiation, but you can say the sun emanates radiation, though it's not common, but you can say this. It's better to say the sun emits radiation. But in most cases, this word will be applied to abstract things like ideas, feelings, principles, theories, and so on. For example, let's say scientists have long been emanating ideas, theories, hypotheses about our universe, about cosmos. So what exactly are universe? And they keep emanating these ideas, theories about where we are living, what it is, what exactly are universe. So, and that's all the difference. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and as always, I'll see you in the next videos.